What you're seeing is Bajra and a Nutspro added Laddu. This is a super delicious Laddu. Everybody in the family can have it. And this Nutspro is a drink mix. This is made with all the dry fruits and most important seeds like pumpkin, watermelon seeds, and even flax seeds. This is necessary for women, and this is why I made this product. I wanted women to have something here because the name Tots and Moms. And this is a drink mix which can also be added as a powder in your dessert, pancake, fruit salad, or laddu. Here I'm showing this laddu recipe today. Bajra I've added in a cast iron pan, and then I've added little ghee and roasted it until it smelled well. I have taken it out, then added a cup of Nutspro and little more jaggery. Jaggery is already there in this mix, but to make it more tastier, I have added palm jaggery powder, and this add more hot ghee, and it will be easy to make laddu. I sent it to my son in his dabba and he loved it. Tisha doesn't have laddus, but I'm glad one of the child is having laddus and it tasted delicious. Do give it a try. Check out Nutspro at Tots and Moms store.